Welcome. Today we're talking a little bit about the SuccessFactors Snap Pack from SnapLogic that integrates with SAP SuccessFactors. SAP SuccessFactors is a best-of-breed enterprise human capital management and HR, finance, accounting, time tracking, as well as employee analytics platform. For many enterprises, it's important to have that data in analytics that might be in a data warehouse or another place as well. So let's take a quick look at the SuccessFactors Snap and how it's configured. When you drag it onto the canvas, you're given an option to choose an account. SnapLogic makes it really easy. SAP is notorious for having a very thorough API and object model. So if you want to know what entity you're going for, rather than go look it up, SnapLogic will do that for you. So we will get the entity options here. So let's say we're going for Employee Central. Oh, let's go the benefits, right? So we can go get that data and have it pre-populated inside SnapLogic. And when we validate our pipeline, which is one of the features of SnapLogic's platform to begin with, we'll see this little gear turning, and we should see some sample data returning here in our debugging bubble. And I might have selected one that had a lot of data here. There we go. All right, so it's presented here. So the integrator, as they're building, as they're working with SAP SuccessFactors, they're actually being able to see what kind of transformations they're applying to their data and what effect it'll have here. So that's all fine and good to begin with. Let's look at a pipeline that's already been built out. So this is a particular pipeline that reads some information from the user tables and puts it into analytics in Snowflake. So this is a pretty straightforward pipeline where we filter out a particular number of users, right? So our integrator isn't having to write some SQL or do some complicated business logic. SnapLogic has transformation snaps that help with all of that. And then they help with SnapLogic helps with some of the transformation as well in the mapper snap. So you can see where the name is changed from a first name, last name to just the standard name that we want to have in our Snowflake data warehouse. And then that's all uploaded up to Snowflake. That's an example of how the SAP SuccessFactors Snap Pack can be used to move your data very easily from your SAP installation into various different targets, or you can push different information back into SuccessFactors as well. But this is a very straightforward little pipeline that does one specific job in order to integrate SAP SuccessFactors into Snowflake. And it doesn't have to be Snowflake. Any one of the data warehouses or databases that are standard across the enterprise could be used. So that's really the power of SnapLogic here, where you can integrate SAP SuccessFactors with any other application that might be using that data, or you might be able to send that data back to SuccessFactors. If you're curious how to learn more about how to get started with SnapLogic, sign up for a free trial or request a demo, and our team will be in touch. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.